Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect USB Type-C to your phone. First, locate the oval-shaped USB-C port on your device, typically at the bottom. Then, take your USB-C cable and simply insert one end into this port. Remember, USB-C is reversible, so there is no wrong way up. You should feel a slight click when it's securely connected, ensuring a stable physical link for power or data. Once connected, you can charge your phone by plugging the other end of the cable into a wall adapter or power bank. For data transfer, connect it to a computer. Your phone will usually prompt you to select an option like Charge Only, File Transfer, or Photo Transfer. Choose the appropriate setting to move files, photos, or videos between your phone and the computer seamlessly. USB Type-C offers much more than just charging and data. With the right adapters or hubs, you can connect a wide array of peripherals. Imagine plugging in a full-sized keyboard and mouse, or even an external hard drive, directly to your phone. Some phones also support video output, allowing you to mirror your screen onto a larger monitor or television for presentations or entertainment. If you encounter connection issues, first check for any lint or debris in your phone's USB-C port or on the cable connector. A small, non-metallic tool can help clean it gently. If problems persist, try a different cable or a different port if available. Always invest in high-quality, certified USB-C cables and chargers to ensure safe, efficient charging and data transfer, protecting your valuable device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.